Why did Ukraine target the Moscow oil refinery in their latest drone attack? The answer reveals a strategic move that goes beyond just damaging infrastructure. The Moscow oil refinery is a critical hub for fuel distribution in Russia's capital. By attacking it, Ukraine disrupts fuel availability for vehicles, heating, and military operations. This causes immediate logistical challenges and forces Russia to divert resources to repair and protect vital infrastructure. Such disruption weakens Russia's operational capabilities and puts pressure on their war effort. Beyond the physical damage, hitting a refinery in Moscow sends a powerful psychological message. It demonstrates Ukraine's reach and resilience, shattering the perceived security of Russia's capital. This bold move can lower morale among Russian citizens and troops, while boosting Ukrainian confidence and international support. It's a calculated strike aimed at undermining Russia's sense of invulnerability. After such attacks, Russia must increase air defenses and repair efforts around critical sites like the refinery. This reallocates troops and equipment from the front lines to homeland defense. It strains Russia's military logistics and reduces their offensive strength elsewhere. Ukraine's tactic stretches Russia thin and forces costly defensive responses. Ukraine's drone attack on the Moscow oil refinery was not just about damage, but sending a strategic message. It disrupts fuel supplies, shakes Russian confidence, and forces costly resource shifts. Understanding these moves gives you a clearer view of modern warfare strategies. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.